hook to get that. Oh. Hey, Nikki. Hey, Nick. Hi, gorgeous. Oh, let's put Ava. Ava and Nikki eating their first Ritz crackers together. Hi, gorgeous girl. Here, Ava can wear it since her hair's so messed up.
Oh, no, do it over her whole face.
Hi, pretty girl.
Oh, you look so cute.
You do. You look beautiful, Ava. Can you walk to Dada?
All right,
Show Daddy how you walk. Good girl.
What kind of dinosaur is that?
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Triceratops?
Go, Ava.
Yeah.
Go, Ava, go.
Here, we need to use the board.
Come here, Evelyn. Walk to Mama. Then Aki. Nikki, get out of his way. Good girl.
Oh.
She caught herself. Come on.